How to fix the issue with Citigroup application not working. In this video, I will show you how can you easily fix the issue with Citigroup application in your device. So without any delay, let's get into it. For that, firstly you need to head towards Google Play Store or Apple Store if you're an iOS device. And in the search bar, simply type Citigroup application and hit the search icon. At the top, you will see the application's name. Beside it, if you see the option of update, click on it and do update the application. After that, now you need to head towards the setting of Citigroup application. So for that, tap and hold on the app icon and go to App Info. In the settings, you will see the option of storage. Simply click on it and choose the option of clear cache, as sometimes collected cache can affect the performance of the application. Once the cache has been cleared, your application will now run smoothly. But after all this step, if your problem is still not solved, you are suggested to reinstall the application. So that's it. That is how easily you can fix the issue with Citigroup application not working. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for such tutorial. Thank you for watching till the end.